I'm Dr. Ali Demirci. I'm a faculty member in Agricultural and Biological Engineering at Penn State, and I'm also professor in charge of CSL Bearing Fermentation Facility at Penn State. We provide these workshops for industry so that they can either refresh their knowledge or to enhance their fundamental knowledge in fields of fermentation, so that they can improve their job performances and produce things that at higher levels that they never do it before. So it covers at the beginning the metabolic systems, bioenergetics, because without understanding that we cannot design a bioprocessing system for them. So after that we talk about the bells and whistles of the bioreactors, and we talk about microbial kinetics in various modes of fermentation: batch, fed batch, continuous. And after that, we discuss a effect of aeration and agitation on the performance of the bioreactors, because that's very important for especially aerobic fermentations, that they need to get enough oxygen mass transfers for them. And then we also cover in this workshop the scale-up strategies, because we can create marvelous things on a small size of reactor in the bench, but how we can translate that to the production side. So bioprocess engineers, manufacturing engineers, I think they need to know this. Of course, a lot of production starts at the research level. So R&D people, technicians, will be able to do their development better if they know fundamentals. Of course, marketing, salesperson, and managers. I think this is very important for everyone involved in fermentation technology. Our Center of Excellence in Industrial Biotechnology has a very good website. You can go through and see what we do at Penn State in terms of industrial biotechnology. And one of the things you can get to is the workshop calendar. So if you click this workshop, you can see all the workshops that we organize throughout the year. Of course, this is dynamic. It changes time to time, year to year. So if any workshops that you are interested in, you can click and you can register it. We have virtual workshops. We have 2 days hands-on workshop and 4 days hands-on workshop in fermentation. And also we have downstream processing workshop, and cell culture workshop is also upcoming in near future. So we can provide all these different areas of biotechnology workshops to the industry.